While loops repeat code until a condition becomes false, making them perfect when you don't know exactly how many iterations you'll need. Unlike for loops, where you specify the count upfront. There are two flavors, while and do while. A while loop checks the condition first, and if the condition is false from the start, the code never runs. A do while loop, on the other hand, will run the code first, then check the condition, guaranteeing at least one execution. While loops are great for user input validation because you keep asking until you get valid data, and do while loops are perfect for menus where you want to show options at least once, then repeat based on the user choice. They are also good for any action that must run at least once before checking a condition. Your condition must eventually become false or your program will hang forever.